Today, let's have a reading and vocabulary practice using family members. He is my grandpa. He is my grandpa. Grandpa. She is my grandma. She is my grandma. Grandma. He is my father. He is my father. Father. She is my mother. She is my mother. Mother. He is my brother. He is my brother. Brother. She is my sister. She is my sister. He is a baby. He is a baby. Baby. He is my uncle. He is my uncle. Uncle. She is my aunt. She is my aunt. Aunt. He is my cousin. He is my cousin. Cousin. He is my son. He is my son. Son. She is my daughter. She is my daughter. Daughter. She is my niece. He is my niece. Niece. He is my nephew. He is my nephew. Nephew. She. He is. My. Neighbor. He is my neighbor. Neighbor. They are mine friends. They are my friends. Friends. She is my friend. She is my friend. Friend. He is my classmate. He is my classmate. Classmate. She is my teacher. She is my teacher. Teacher. They are my relatives. They are my relatives. Relatives. This is my family. This is my family. Family. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.